Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing out in the middle of the country, just off of Highway 20, which is typically very busy, but they're doing some construction down the road. So right now, technically the road is closed. So that actually helps with my filming today. But here we are on Hillburn Road. I don't know if you can see the sign over there. And this is the newest addition to the Rustic Roads program here in Wisconsin. This is Rustic Road number 126. Okay, this is new as of 2024. Last year there was another close one that was 124, and we never got around to doing that. We will get to it this year though. And number 125 is way up in Bayfield, Wisconsin, which is way up north. So I don't know when I'm going to get to that one. I plan on doing it sooner or later, okay? But as you can see by the sign there, this road is 4 miles long. It is completely paved. It uses a portion of this Hillburn Road, and then we'll turn on to, I think it's called Bell School Road. And then we'll just basically loop around and reconnect to Highway 20 farther down the road. Now, what's great about this little area, I'm in Walworth County. I'm just a little east of, well, East Troy. And just all the way down to Bloomington, over to Lake Geneva, there's like 12 to 15 rustic roads you can do. I mean, if you're really motivated, you could hit the 10 roads you need to acquire your patch. That's awesome. Just here in this one little area. So while I'm here, it's still fairly early in the day. I mean, it's past noon. It's coming up on 1:30, but I'm out here. I'm going to hit a few of these roads today so I can have the videos to put up later. But yeah, let's jump on 126 and see what this new road has. All right, guys, here we go. Number 126, 4 miles long. Let's see what it's got. Okay, right away I'm seeing a speed limit sign of 35 miles an hour. Now remember, the rustic roads are governed no higher than 45. They can be less than that, but they'll never be 50, 55 mile an hour roads. So I will keep a close eye on speed limit signs to see if it ever picks up to 45. I do not have a map going on my phone. I am simply going by what I remember about the road in my head. You know, it's not very hard, so I just gotta look for that Bell School Road. Kind of nice and hilly over here, isn't it? Got some blockades in the road. Oh, you know what? I bet you those blockades are because that Highway 20 is closed. So I bet you that is what those blockades are for. And here's our road. They got a nice little road sign up there. So Bell School Road is right here. Now they say that there is a Bell School number 7 along the road, but when I was looking at Google Maps, I never saw it. So I don't know if that's true or not. Big huge rig coming down. I will give you guys as much room as I can. Nice little barn and house there. That's a new constructed house there. And that house looks pretty new. Nice farmlands though. I always seem to like it when, you know, there's the farmhouse and here's the farm, and I'm kind of like just driving right through everything. I kind of like that. Okay, we're up to 45 now. There's an old truck rear end back there. Someone's using it as a trailer. They had pieces of wood in it. That's new construction there. That's an old house. Yeah, look at that old dilapidated barn there. Oh, the Honey Creek protection area is here too. It's a protected land area, so you can go out there, you can hike and stuff like that, but of course you're not allowed to gather seeds, you're not allowed to pick flowers or anything like that, but you can go out there and walk around, and in fact it kind of encompasses down around this area. And the Honey Creek steam whatever actually comes around all the way up to the road up here. Basically just this little area where that house is privately owned. Everything else belongs to Honey Creek. Alright, here's another farm here. Dilapidated barn. Old cinder block home. This is actually kind of nice. Nice tight curve here. Wow. Some nice old trees along the roadway and down the division of the fields there. I bet you that left that wooded area for deer hunting or something, I bet you. Oh, look at all the cows. Hi, cows. Excellent. Hey there, dude. I wonder if he's out here doing the Rustic Road too, or if he's just out for a daily ride. Old silo stuck in the trees over here, so there's probably an old lost barn somewhere in there. Alright, so yeah, here's another road closed area here, which means that we're probably almost Highway 20, which means that our 4 miles is pretty much done. But yeah, I did not see anything. Oh, you know what? There we go, right up there at the corner. It's on the other side of Highway 20, the red building there. That is the old Bell School. And I'm going to stop right here. Got some people out there planting, it looks like. So here we are. Rustic Road, number 126, the newest one in the program. Very nice ride. Unfortunately, it is a short road at only 4 miles, so it didn't take long. But you either can start at the school and go that way, or end at the school and look at it as you're finished. But that is now a privately owned home, so it's not like a historical thing or any such thing like that. So, you know, don't go knocking on it. See if you can get into the old one-room schoolhouse, because they won't let you. But I want to thank you guys for coming along and enjoying this wonderful little road with me. It was a very nice road, although short. All right, well, this is Mark saying, always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.